In the stillness of the night, the mountains rise. Ancient whispers echo through the skies. A land of dreams where the rivers flow. In unity we stand, let our spirits glow. Hold me, our heart of the brave, with your forest deep and your lakes that wave. In every heartbeat, in every song, together we rise, together we're strong. Through the storms we've weathered, the trials we face, in the dance of the dawn we find our place. With each step forward our voices song, a melody of freedom forevermore. Hold me, our heart of the brave, with your forest deep and your lakes that wave. In every heartbeat, in every song, together we rise, together we're strong. From the ashes of sorrow we forge our way, united in purpose, come what may. Every heartbeat, a promise shines bright. In the tapestry of hope, we ignite the night. Hold me, your heart of the brave, with your forest deep and your lakes that wave. In every heartbeat, in every song, together we rise, together we're strong. So let us see, let our voices entwine, a saga of strength, a journey divine. In the embrace of our homeland we stand tall. Forever in unity we answer the call.